Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Home Depot job. Alright, we're jumping into Home Depot now, and the best way to probably do this is by signing in immediately. But for now, what we're going to do is, on the top left hand side, you'll see it says search for your next job. You can go ahead and enter a search query in here if you would like to, but if you want to just see everything that's available, go ahead and click on the search icon, the search button, and this will bring you into this page, and it'll show you all of the jobs that are available. Here you can again search via keyword, building number, work location, job type, job category, location, and then you can just sort it in different orders. Now, as you can see, there are a list of jobs here already, and there are a couple pages, so there's something for everyone. You can see again the location of this position. So for example, this measure check, let's go and check out this job over here. So here is an overview of the job. This is the first thing. Okay. The next thing is the job description. This will discuss all of the details of the actual job itself. And then finally, we've got the benefits, which of course is something that you need to be aware of. So if you want to see additional benefits, you can go and click on this. It'll give you some additional benefits. Now, if this is the job that you would like to apply for, simply click on the apply button, and from here you will be redirected to this page over here. Now, you can start your application by auto-filling with a resume, which means you upload a resume. This could be in PDF format, and then it'll extract all the information from your resume. This could be your educational experience, your work experience, previous education certificates, your whatever's in your application, whatever's in your resume, it'll be extracted and it'll be added in automatically. Now, if you're not using that option, you're going to go and click on apply manually, and this option doesn't apply to us because this is the first time we're doing this. So let's go ahead and click on apply manually, and over here, quite simply, the first aspect over here would be to create an account, and that's why I said earlier on, if you create an account first, it'll make this a whole lot easier. So you create your account, you add in all of your information. This is your personal information, where you live, and your name, and maybe your social security number, and all that other nonsense. And then you're going to go to My Experience. Now, under My Experience, you are going to add in all of your previous work experience. Note, that is relevant to this job, to this position. Okay, once you're done, application questions. Application questions are specific questions that are related to this particular job. So they might ask you specific questions that are related directly and only to this position right over here. The next thing is your voluntary disclosures. You literally are going to just disclose that all the information that you've added is correct and true, and you're using your own identity and so on. Once you're done, you're going to go through to the review process, and over here you're just going to review all of your information. You'll have a chance to edit anything that you would like to edit, any changes that you'd like to make, and then you're going to click on submit. This means you have successfully submitted a job application to this position.